Yo guys, it's your boy Accept. Today I'm going to be teaching you how you can edit your Xbox One gaming videos / clips and upload them to YouTube using your phone, or you can even use your Xbox, but I do recommend you use phone apps to upload your videos because you can then edit the videos further. But I'm going to teach you how you can edit them on Xbox. You can record / edit. So basically, for those of you who don't have the equipment to record videos and upload them, this is basically going to be the guide on how you can do so. Because I know equipment can be quite expensive for those people who are starting out a YouTube channel and don't really want to spend that much money into their equipment because they don't have many subscribers, and I understand that completely. I wish I never got straight into buying equipment because I could have bought other things to help me. But yeah, basically I'm going to teach you how you can edit and upload videos using your Xbox, and there's a way to upload via your mobile, so I'm going to do it all in this video. So first of all, you want to get an app called Upload Studio on the Xbox. So yeah, this is a guide for the Xbox One users. If you're on PS4, you can download something called Share Factory. So if you are interested in uploading videos via your PS4, you can get that app. But yes, this app is absolutely free. Excuse the pun there. But yeah, you want to get Upload Studios, and it's by Microsoft. So yeah, you want to grab this app. It won't take too long to install. I think it's only a couple of 100 megabytes. Yeah, there you go. I'm going to teach you a few ways on how you can grab clips from what you're doing. But yeah, make sure you have downloaded this app. So what I'm going to teach you now is how you can basically record your clips and get your gameplay. Basically, you can get like short clips of your like recent, gameplay. If you press the home button and then you press record what happened, so it will record what happened. So you could use that. So for example, I'm like pretending I'm talking here like this. I'm talking away, so I need this for the start of my video. For example, we're making a Minecraft tutorial, so I'm crouching up and down, looking at the screen. It's like I'm talking, then I press record what happened. So you press the home button and then record what happened. For example, if I want to record a long clip, so I now want to build my tutorial, so I need to get a longer clip in order to do so. So what you want to do is press your home button and scroll over to capture and share. Now what you can do on capture and share is you can go to start recording. Now before you want to do that, you want to always check your settings to see how much footage you can record. So you can go for 5 minutes here or 2 minutes depending on what kind of settings you have. Yours may be different to mine, yours may be the same. So it looks like we can record at 720p for 5 minutes. So alright, we could do that, or we can record at 2 minutes for 1080p, which can be fine, but I'm doing a tutorial, so 720. You can also change if you want to put all your your videos on an external hard drive. You can then do that, but that's probably only useful if you've got like a phone that has a USB. I don't know how, or you got like an adapter that connects to your phone. Be my guess, but you don't really want to use that. You're probably going to use my internal hard drive. You can also change your record that time for 5 minutes, capture what happened in the last 5 minutes, or capture the last 1 minute. I like to capture the last 45 seconds, so I can get the clip if I need it for a montage or something. It's down to you. But yeah, what we're going to do is press the home button, go over to capture and share, and start recording. So what you want to do is go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, I don't know, do whatever you want to do. So you want to do this, for example, and you don't have to talk in this stage. You can do so at this point, you're not going to be talking because you're going to add your voice after. So once you've finished recording your clip, you can then go over to the captures and then stop recording. So there you have it. We've got that footage of me building the house. We can then edit that afterwards. But, you know, say for example, we want to end the video. So we're just like, so yeah, this is how you build a simple Minecraft house. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe. So you don't have to say all this, but you can like say it in your head, just so you know you've got enough time. And then yeah, for more videos, please like, I don't know, and whatever you want to say, and then you can just quickly capture what happened, or you can do the record as you need. But yeah, that's how you get your footage. The next step is going to be editing, but yeah, I need to wait for my captures to upload, so I'll be with you guys in a second. Okay, so once all your clips have uploaded to Xbox Live, you want to go to My Games and Apps. You want to go on Apps, and then you want to open up Upload Studio, which is obviously the thing we're going to use to edit our video. If you have a mic, this is where you can do your commentary. We've got Upload Studio. We've got templates you can use. They're pretty useful sometimes. We could do like a commentary for Minecraft Xbox One Edition. So this will be perfect for this video. Or we can create a video from scratch. So you can use, so as you can see, it will be this little Minecraft text for the intro. First clip, second clip, and you can end it off like that. So yeah, we can add our clips in there, or you can start from scratch. For example, if you wanted to start from scratch, you can click on there, you know, add some clips. So we can always add our clips in. So it will be, oh, it's duplicated our clips, but yeah, we can add clip in like that. We can press this plus button to add another clip, which will be us actually building the Minecraft house. And then once that's downloaded, we can then add the final clip, which will be the outro. You can also add text on the screen and stuff like that. So we've got all our clips in, which is great. All our clips are in. We can add a voiceover if we like, which is kind of good. But what you can do is at the start, if you want to click over to this plus sign, we can add like an effect. You can add like an intro text. So we got this Minecraft text here. Add text. We could say Minecraft tutorial. I think that will let us type that. Yeah. And we can preview our video by pressing X, and it should play all our clips. Do it as I'm saying, or you can add your voiceover. So we can start recording. For example, hello and welcome to. So go, hello and welcome to my video. Today I'm going to be doing a tutorial on how you can build a simple house in Minecraft. So yeah, it's really simple to do it. That's why it's a simple video. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy it, and I hope you can follow along nice and easy. So if we just preview the clip. Hello and welcome to my video. Today I'm going to be doing a tutorial on how you can build a simple house in Minecraft. So yeah, it's really simple to do it. That's why it's a simple video. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy it, and I hope you can follow along nice and easy. So we've got to stop the video at 19 seconds. So right, so we've got to trim it down to 19 seconds. So we grab the right analog stick and we drag it down to where we want to trim it. So around there. So go hello and welcome to my video. Today I'm going to be doing a tutorial, and then we can press A to accept. Again, I've just finished recording. So what you want to do is it all up and then thing it, and then we can end off the video. So if you want to do your quick outro for the video, so we can just add a voiceover. So guys, this is how you build a simple Minecraft house. I hope you enjoyed it. Please like and share this video, and please leave it and please comment down below for more tutorials. So yeah, peace out guys. So we can trim this up. So we've got all this wasted footage at the start here. Do we need to trim it down from the right? Maybe a little bit. You can hear where I've been speaking on the tutorial, and then just edit that down. You could do whatever you want really. Mess around with it, have fun with it. You can add, you know, a text ending at the end. I don't want to do that. I can delete that segment, and we just want to finish up, and then we can click on finish once we've done. You can just call it Minecraft 1, whatever. So call it Minecraft 1 because we'll be uploading this to OneDrive, and we can go to next and then upload it. And then once you've done that, you can then download it from OneDrive and then upload it. So I'm going to teach you how to do that. So yeah, once your video's finished rendering, it will start uploading to OneDrive and the actual Upload Studio app. But yeah, I'm going to show you how you can put this edited video onto YouTube in a second. So the question is, how do we get the video we just made from OneDrive up onto YouTube? It's pretty simple. You download OneDrive on your phone, and then you log into the account that you uploaded the video on, and then you can preview the video that you just created. You can save that video to your phone, wherever you want to save it, and then you are able to upload it on YouTube. You can take the video from your phone and edit it further if you want to do the commentary via your phone, but I'll teach you how to edit videos in another tutorial because it'll be a bit too much showing you how to edit on the phone. I'm just going to show you how you save it. So it started downloading, and we're just going to wait for it to finish downloading, and then I'm going to upload it to YouTube. So once your video is downloaded, you want to click on YouTube and click on create. You then simply select the video you want to upload, and then you're basically good to go. The only thing that I will need to teach you is how to make a nice thumbnail on the phone, and also how to edit videos on the phone. So I'll make those two separate videos in the future, the near future. So yeah, you can title it what you want, how to build a simple Minecraft house, and put the description however you want. Use whatever tags you want. But yeah, I'm gonna put this as an unlisted video. I did notice after I uploaded this video that the audio cut out on my voiceover. That's because I wasn't really concentrating on the voiceover. So make sure you check your preview before you upload your video to OneDrive. Even if you have problems, you can go back to your Xbox and redo it. But yeah, but that's it guys. That's how you upload Xbox One gaming videos to YouTube without a capture card. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave a thumbs up so I know to make more tutorials like this in the future, because I know people love my channel for tutorials. It seems to do the best on my channel, so I'm going to stick to doing tutorials on this channel whenever I can. So yeah, It's been your boy Accept. I'm out.